Okay. Today we're going to show off our Doall model C-305 NC. All right, hit it, Dave. Back vise is feeding in. That'll be the brown one. Down it comes. Going to wrap it until that little flag hits the material. Boom, goes in the feed. Not the best blade in there. You can hear it cuts and then it doesn't. Got a nice slow feed on there. We've completely gone through this machine, replaced the seal and numerous other items to get it to run right. Not that it didn't run, but we want it to be reliable for a long time. We go slow because I don't have any more blades for it. We just want to use what's in there. Go full automatic. Now what do you got it set to, Dave? Up here we have 1 inch long. Job number 1 is 1 inch long, 2 cuts. Alright. And then here's your cut time. Fully programmable. These are extra plates that go underneath the blade in the gap there in case you're cutting something bigger. It fills in the gap where the vise goes. I'm not going to stick my finger in there to show you. And there, feeds forward. So the first cut was a trim cut. And now we're doing our second cut. That's shown up here. It says 1 done. Alright, and then when this finishes, it'll go to 2 and stop. Simple control panel. Chip conveyor was jammed. We cleaned it, fixed that. Got the flag up there to show how many feet per minute you're cutting. We got all the safety stickers on there that it came with from the factory. We put on new ones because they were so bad you couldn't read them anymore. Did it stop? Alright. What else do I want to show you? The cleanliness is going to make it run better for a long time. And you'll need the wear plates. It needs wear plates on the front jaws.